Go ahead and skip this if you're not a woodworker. If you are a woodworker, do you, like thousands of hobbyists and professionals, have a hard time finding complete project plans? If so, click on the link below to learn more about Ted's Woodworking 16,000 detailed project plans. So do you have difficulty finding plans that fit your project? And when you download online plans, do you find that they're incomplete so that you have to waste precious hours trying to guesstimate what's missing? And how would full access to full and complete plans for every imaginable project be useful to you? So click on the link below to learn more about Ted's Woodworking and all the cool things on his website to make you a better woodworker. Ted McGrath spent over 25 years studying these problems and finding solutions. He put together a comprehensive collection of woodworking plans, and tedswoodworking.com is his website. It offers woodworkers like you solutions to various woodworking problems, especially those related to finding the right plans for various projects. The site has detailed plans for over 16,000 projects, and every plan comes with a step-by-step blueprint to make it easier for you to create stunning professional woodworking projects. So click on the link below to learn more about Ted's Woodworking and how it can help make your projects awesome.